Have you ever woken up and felt like the day was already slipping away before it even started? What if I told you there's a morning routine that doesn't just wake you up? It wires your brain to be 10 times more focused, energized, and unstoppable. Today, I'm revealing the exact morning system that transformed my life and could change yours too. Stick with me, because the next minutes might just be the most important investment you make for your future self. Here's a truth most people never realize. The quality of your morning dictates the quality of your entire day. Your mind is like wet cement when you first wake up. Whatever you impress into it will harden and shape the hours ahead. Successful people don't wing it. They engineer their mornings. They create momentum before the world even knows they're awake. So if you want world-class focus, it starts before breakfast. Let's dive into my step-by-step system. First, wake up intentionally, not reactively. No phone, no emails, no notifications. I set my alarm 90 minutes before I have to start working. Why 90 minutes? Because it gives my brain time to fully transition into peak performance mode. I sit up immediately, feet on the floor, stretch arms to the ceiling. Then I take 5 deep belly breaths. Why? Because oxygen wakes up your mind faster than caffeine. Simple? Yes. Easy to skip? Also yes. The champions don't skip the fundamentals. Before coffee, before food, before anything, I drink 20 ounces of cold water. Dehydration equals brain fog. Water equals brain fuel. Sometimes I add a pinch of Himalayan salt for minerals and better hydration. It's like flipping the on switch for my brain. Energy levels surge. Focus sharpens. Mood lifts. All from a simple glass of water. Next, movement activates the mind. I'm not talking about a full workout yet. I do 5 minutes of light stretching, yoga, or jumping jacks. Here's why. When you move your body, you pump fresh blood and oxygen to your brain. It's like putting your mind into high-definition mode. Suddenly, ideas feel clearer, tasks seem easier, solutions appear faster, all because I move my body for 5 tiny minutes. Focus lives clarity. Without a clear mission, your mind scatters. So I spend 10 minutes every morning writing 2 things. The 3 most important tasks for today. The person I need to be to complete them. I don't list 50 things. I don't scroll my calendar endlessly. I zoom in on the essential few. Because busyness is the enemy of focus. Clarity creates momentum. After planning, I feed my mind something powerful. No junk, no mindless scrolling, no morning news catastrophes. I choose one of the following: 10 pages of a great book, a 10-minute motivational podcast, an inspiring video. Remember, first inputs of the day set the tone. Negative input equals distracted day. Positive input equals focused, energized day. Guard your brain like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Here's something that gave me an insane focus boost: skipping breakfast. Yep, I started intermittent fasting. By not eating immediately, my body stays in a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel and keeps my mind razor sharp. Instead of a heavy meal slowing me down, my brain stays light, alert, and focused. Warning, it's not for everyone, but for me, it was a game changer. Finally, before touching my phone, before checking texts, before anything reactive, I dive straight into the hardest task of my day. This is called eating the frog. When you tackle the hardest task first, your brain builds momentum like a freight train. Focus compounds. Confidence skyrockets. you become unstoppable before 10 a.m. That's the routine. Wake up intentionally. Hydrate. Move. Plan. Prime your mind. Fast. Launch into flow. Stack these habits, and your focus will multiply. One morning won't change your life, but 100 mornings will. Now it's your turn. Starting tomorrow, build your masterpiece morning and watch how your days and your destiny transform. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to 10x their life. This is Lexology, helping you unlock your best self, one morning at a time.